Once again, I had to head away from the main event. The Imperial Navy had already sealed off our course to Australia as they routed Java. A British fleet had deployed in the Gulf of Bengali. We arranged to RV at an island northwest of our position. To get us there in one piece, I decided to use nature to hide us. We'd travel there under the cover of a storm. By dawn, we were on station. The Brits had to be around here somewhere. I have a visual contact dead ahead, 35 degrees up. Send a signal. Confirm ID codes.
They're well within range, but I'm receiving no acknowledgement, Captain.
Those are Val's. Sound general quarters.
Attention all ships. This is Captain Walker. Battle stations. Battle stations. We have Val's inbound from the north. All anti-aircraft batteries to full alert.
This is the USS Walker. Message received and understood. Over.
USS Warden reporting in. We're prepped and ready to fire.
Got him! We are coming under enemy fire! Target is going down! We're going out! All hands abandon ship! That's one less enemy pilot. We have incoming enemy aircraft.
Sir, we have further bogies inbound. They look like Cape-class torpedo bombers. We can't let them get close enough to drop their torps. Concentrate AA fire on those Capes.
Ah, there goes another one. Notch another one up to the good guys. Target is burning. You're taking damage, sir. We've been holed, sir. Target aircraft has been neutralized, sir.
Sir, lookouts report a small wake to the northeast. Could be a periscope.
Houston's too vulnerable. She has no depth charges. We can't engage. Only a destroyer can knock that seal pipe out.
Coral Spears below the waterline. Break out the pumps. We are going under enemy fire. Ah, there goes another one. Target is burning. Enemy squadron destroyed, sir. Sonar's got something, sir. Must be a sub.
Where in God's great ocean are the damn Brits?
Hold up. I think that's them dead ahead of us. Send a signal.
This is the USS Houston. Is anybody reading me? Repeat, USS Houston. Any ears?
Copy, Houston. This is HMS Hotspur. Glad to have you here.
Looks like you got your hands full, Exeter.
I'll say, Commander. This is just the vanguard of the Japanese battle group, led by the Haruna, a Congo-class battleship. She's been gaining bearings since we passed the Sunda Strait.
Well, let's help you mop up here, and then we'll see about the big boys.
Thank you, Commander. I believe you are the ranking officer. My ships are at your disposal. Sir, we're under attack. We've neutralized an enemy vessel. Enemy vessel is heading for the bottom, sir. We did it. She's heading for the coral.
Sir, we have sighted an enemy vessel. Multiple smokestacks sighted, sir. Headed our way.
Looks like the Haruna's caught up with us.
Torpedoes incoming! Take evasive action! What's the plan, Commander Walker?
The Haruna outranges and outguns any ship we got. Torpedoes are the only chance we've got of putting her under.
Hailing USS Houston. Hailing USS Houston.
Houston receiving, over.
USS Nautilus at your service. We picked up your traffic. Thought we'd join the party.
A sub, huh? I like your sense of timing, Nautilus.
Coming under enemy fire. Got him riled, sir. We got him riled, sir. That was a masterful display, Commander Walker. It's been an honor to fight alongside you.
In the end, it became an RV you wouldn't wish for. After the battle, I was recalled to Pearl, on the personal authority of Admiral Nimitz.